Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your professional or creator account to private. So first we need to open Instagram app, then tap on profile icon, then tap on menu bar, then tap on account privacy. If I click this and you can see if you want to make your account private, first switch back to personal. How to do professional account to personal? Follow this step. Tap on setting, click on preferences and tap on switch account type and switch to personal account. It takes few seconds and now go back to profile, click on menu bar and go to account privacy and now just turn this on and switch to private and now your account is private. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.